Exposing the truth in DIY. Sometimes the best projects are born from pure spontaneity. I bet you didn't know you can build a beautiful shelf with zero plans, just some scraps, and a big imagination. That's right, no blueprints, no fancy tools, and definitely no stress over measurements. Just you, your creativity, and a pile of leftover wood that's been waiting for a second chance. Today, I'm inviting you to step into the world of fearless crafting, where mistakes become features, and every piece tells a story. Let's see what happens when we trust the process in our own two hands. There's something magical about letting go of perfection and just diving in. You don't need to be a master woodworker or have a garage full of tools. All you need is a willingness to experiment, a bit of patience, and the courage to make something uniquely yours. This is about embracing the journey, not just the destination. Alright, DIY friends, let's talk about the magical love shelf. This isn't just any shelf, it's a symbol of creativity, resourcefulness, and a little bit of rebellion against the idea that everything has to be perfect. The love shelf is about making something with your own hands, for your own space, and filling it with things that matter to you. It's a project that's as much about the process as it is about the finished product. So what exactly is a love shelf? It's a shelf built without strict rules, drawn plans, or math headaches. There's no need to stress over perfect angles or matching wood grains. Instead, you get to play, experiment, and let your instincts guide you. Maybe you sketch a rough idea on a scrap of paper, or maybe you just start laying out pieces and see what feels right. The only rule is that there are no rules. Just you, your imagination, and whatever wood you've got lying around, those odd-shaped offcuts, the boards with knots and curves, the pieces you thought were too small or too weird to use, they're all perfect for this project. In fact, the more character your wood has, the better. Each piece brings its own story, and, together, they create something truly one of a kind. Start by picturing where your shelf will live. Will it hang proudly on a wall, or will it stand on its own as a freestanding piece? Take a moment to imagine how it will fit into your space. Maybe it's going in the entryway to hold keys and mail, or maybe it's destined for the living room to display your favorite books and plants. Visualizing the end result helps guide your choices as you build. Now, grab your scrap wood and lay the pieces out like a puzzle. Move them around, try different combinations, and don't be afraid to get a little wild with your design. This is your chance to play and see what shapes emerge. Sometimes the best ideas come from happy accidents, two pieces that fit together in a way you didn't expect, or a curve that inspires a whole new direction. See a knot or a curve, that's character, not a flaw. Those imperfections are what make your shelf unique. Instead of hiding them, celebrate them. Let the wood's natural beauty shine through. Maybe you highlight a knot by making it the centerpiece, or you let a curve dictate the shape of your shelf. Every mark and texture tells a story, and your shelf becomes a reflection of your creative journey. Pick a basic structure, maybe it's a heart shape, a zigzag, or a wonky box. Don't worry about making it perfect. The goal is to create something that feels right to you. If you want to get really creative, try combining different shapes or adding unexpected angles. The love shelf is all about breaking the mold and making something that's truly your own. Mark your cuts, but don't get caught up in perfect numbers. Cut, test, smile, adjust. If a piece doesn't fit quite right, that's okay. Just trim it, swap it, or embrace the wonkiness. The process is about learning and adapting as you go. Every cut is a step closer to your finished shelf, and every adjustment adds to its charm. Dry fit your pieces, lean it against the wall, and ask yourself, does it make you happy? This is your chance to step back and see how everything is coming together. If something feels off, don't be afraid to make changes. Trust your instincts and remember that this is your creation. The most important thing is that it brings you joy. If yes, grab your drill and some screws. Imperfections are totally welcome here. Secure the pieces together, and don't worry if the joints aren't perfect. A little gap here or a crooked edge there just adds to the handmade charm. If you want extra stability, add some wood glue or brackets, but keep it simple. The goal is to build something sturdy enough to hold your treasures, not to win a carpentry award. Sand just enough so it's nice to touch, then finish however you like. Oil for warmth, a splash of color, or just leave it natural. This is your chance to add a personal touch. Maybe you painted a bold color to make it pop, or you keep it raw and rustic to show off the wood's natural grain. You could even add stencils, stickers, or little doodles if you're feeling extra creative. The finish is where your personality really shines through. Mount it up, add your favorite plant or photo, and admire your one-of-a-kind creation. This is the moment where all your effort pays off. Step back and take it in. The colors, the shapes, the little quirks that make it yours. Fill it with things that make you smile, whether it's a collection of tiny succulents, a stack of well-loved books, or a framed photo of your favorite memory. So, tell me, would you hang this love shelf in your home? Imagine the conversations it could spark, the stories you could tell about how you made it, and the pride you'd feel every time you walk by. It's more than just a shelf. It's a piece of you, built with your own hands and filled with your own memories. What would you put on it? Maybe a quirky mug collection, a row of tiny potted plants, or a rotating display of your latest thrift store finds. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes it so special. Your love shelf can evolve with you, changing as your interests and style change. It's a living piece of art that grows alongside you. Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your ideas, your questions, or even your own stories of fearless DIY. And remember, you don't need perfect plans, just a little courage and a lot of heart. Every project is a chance to learn, to grow, and to create something that's truly yours. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, to try new things, and to celebrate every step of the journey. Like and subscribe for more DIY magic. If you enjoyed this project, stick around for more creative adventures, tips, and inspiration. Remember, the best things you'll ever make are the ones that come from the heart. Happy building, and I can't wait to see what you create next.